Here we go.
Kill him.
Get him. Hold on, catch him, catch him. Oh! Well, dang, you already set up the deeks for us?
We got everything set up.
These ones are coming in. So.
Oh, they coming in? We at the dairy today. Back with Paul. Back with Broken Barrel.
No Broken Barrel shirt on though.
No Broken Barrel.
No
just slipperies.
Just old
Slipperies from Minnesota. Oh, Minnesota.
Minnesota.
Guys, it's like luxury pigeon hunting today. Look at this, man. We got shade. That boy's bringing me my gun. God dang, dude. There's some coming up. Deeks are already set up. God dang, man. Can't get better than this. Look at this, guys. Look at this setup right now. This is just beautiful.
Lovely umbrella here for you.
I know, man. God dang. All we need is like a little pool or something now.
All we need is love.
Look at that beautiful old case behind you, too.
Ooh.
That's sexy. That's thumbnail worthy. And then we got this guy, Dallas, here, who's an insane wildlife photographer. What's going on, man?
It's going good. It's going
So he's going to be helping out filming today.
And a white, solid white.
Solid
Yes.
white.
Oh my gosh, here we go. Solid white, come on now, come on.
Yeah, we see.
That's, oh dude, that's a huge group.
Oh, you should see. They're getting ready to build in here.
Okay.
Oh man. Ooh. Here we go. Here we go. Get ready, Jared. Kill him.
Yeah. Right in there. Oh, could have caught him. Wish I had my GoPro on.
Yeah.
Hey, look at that, man. Right there, right off the bat.
Right off the bat.
Right off the
Where'd
bat.
that whiter go?
Got to love it, man. Did they pump up?
They pumped up. Just.
Dude, fat boy, come on, let's go, boy.
Backside here.
Get up in here, man. I gotta put my GoPro on, y'all. Gotta let you get on in this action. Dude, we actually hunted over here last year in those hurricane force winds. This is a sick setup now, though. Back up in this field. Did they just plant in there?
Truck right now.
Paul, did they just plant back there?
They did. They just planted. We tried to get on the feed over there to hunt. There's been quite a few pigeons using it, but
Yeah, they are loading up in there. Look at all these coming in right now.
oh,
Holy smokes, I don't know if y'all can see that, but they are, yeah, there's some whites. We shoot a white, dude, I bet you it'll be banded. Oh,
good looking bird.
GoPro going on right now. Look at that one. Oh man, that's pretty. This is like legit luxury pigeon hunting right now. We're in the shade, no sunscreen needed. We got a little bit of a breeze. It's not too hot. We got a cooler full of Dr. Pepper and Mountain Dew and Lucky Lipper.
And Lucky Flipper.
Gosh dang, man. Can't beat that, dude. Got Fat Boy, Paul, the guys, Broken Barrel, man. It's, look at this weird one coming in. White belly. And this one, where was that one? Right here. It's a white wing. That's cool, man. That is super, super cool. We're gonna see, I think, let's make the goal to try to get a white one.
Solid white.
You think it'll be banded if it is?
Yeah. I do.
They'll have like a little band on their ankle right there. That'll be sweet. But they've already got a pile, man. We just got here. We just shot 2. Already got a pile. Got to love it. We're trying to pull all these big groups in, but they got all this feed over there. That's what we got the deeks out for. We got a couple mojos flapping their wings. Hopefully they come in. Do I look like a pro pigeon hunter right now or what? Look at me, dude. Look at me.
Oh, right up front, guys. Right,
Oh, right here. Oh, here we go. Here we go. Here we go.
Kill him.
I can't, did you get him?
Oh.
Oh, you sprayed him. The umbrella was in my way. We're going a little too luxury now. Yeah. The umbrella got in my way of shooting.
Oh.
Is he in there?
Right up top. Yeah, he went down.
See if you can grab him. Up, dude.
Luxury pigeon.
Gosh dang, man.
Luxury pigeon hunting.
Luxury pigeon hunting gone wrong.
Gone bad. Oh man, the farmer's just laughing. It's like, what idiots.
Yeah, we're just a bunch of city boys playing country for the day.
Sure, that's the truth. Shh, don't tell anybody, man.
Oh, that's rednectified. Getting
Oh
tired.
man, we just got buzzed.
Oh my gosh, what the dick. The moment I take my head off. Here's one right here.
Get him.
Got him. Good job, Paul.
Awesome.
Good job. Good job.
Good job.
Good job. That's the first. Is that the first dove of the day?
That is the first dove of the day.
First dove of the day.
Feathers raining.
Look at him. Look at him.
They all fat.
Snow in the summer, baby. Gotta love it. Got him. Raining. That's sexy, man. Look at that. Look at that.
No dogs this time? No, it was a little hop ramp.
Yeah,
That
it's,
heat works perfectly.
dude. I know that last time I felt bad for him, but it's like,
But it's okay, I have a good replacement. Good boy. Come on, buddy. Oh no, dude, turned around. You hit him with a bird, dude. He's terrified of birds. He just looks at you.
I'm big.
Don't tell him, so it's his fault.
Fat Boy's like, yeah, I can't touch a bird. Guys,
Not all hunting accidents are accidents.
Not all.
the reason Fat Boy say this right now is because he still deathly afraid of birds. I don't know my tonsils anymore. I can't do it. Dude, it's working.
Kill him.
Yes. Yes. That dude, that one is sexy. That one is sexy. Gosh, that's sexy, dude.
Watch out.
That is.
Watch out, Fat Boy, he's coming.
Look at that pretty one, dude. Oh my gosh. You know, I've been wanting to do a pigeon mount for like the longest time, like a pigeon and dove mount together, like a dead mount, kind of like that.
Oh.
This one actually would be super sick.
Kill him.
What the dick, dude? What the dick? Cut it, man. Cut it.
Yep, get ready, guys. Kill him.
Got him.
Oh,
Nice.
shredded. Oh,
Nice. I used to be able to do it so good, then my tonsils got taken out. Now I just sound like I'm on Pornhub.com. I beer batter fried them. I bacon wrapped some, and then jalapeno poppered the rest. Split them up evenly.
So what you're telling me is you're pigeoned out and you don't want to take home.
Nah, I'll take. I'll take them.
What was your favorite?
I think the fried, to be honest.
The fried was the best.
The beer batter fried, like probably the best I ever had.
So are those through Ariat?
No, these are Outlaw boots, man.
Or like, so they're...
These are straight up Outlaw boots. Say Outlaw logo, backwoods badass on the back. And then we got yellow ones too. We got new ones coming out soon. Y'all see those soon, man. Takes a while from Mexico to get them handmade, but they're gonna be looking pretty. We got some birds coming up over here to the left.
Good shot.
Did you do that?
Just had more flying in too. Oh guys, my mom's calling me. Mom, I'm hunting. You're embarrassing me.
You know, I'm so
Here's one
thankful
right
that
here.
you called me mommy or you would have got a spanking.
Hey mom, hold on. We're gonna shoot a bird. Got it. Apologize. What's up?
Did you just shoot something?
Yeah. Did you just shoot something? We're pigeon
What are
hunting.
you? No, well, now is not the time to talk about it then.
Yeah,
so.
hold on. You're on speaker, so don't say anything like you're pregnant.
Tell us the truth. Jared's adopted.
Pretty unique one.
Yeah. Sorry.
Good shooting.
Apologize. Were you snapped at? I got too excited, man.
Did you shoot something?
You always got that in the blind when you're hunting with a bunch of guys and somebody shoots first. They're like, what the dick, man? That was me. Apologize. Sorry. What the dip? What do you want now, mother? Oh, here they come. Here they come. Here they come.
Make it. Wait. Kill him.
Yes. Oh, come on.
Okay. All good.
That's gonna be a hard one. Keep your eye on him. I knew he's right here. Are you gonna get it? He's getting it. Come on, fat boy, come on. You recorded? Yes, he did it. Fat boy got a bird. Give him a high five. Yeah. Love it. I'm proud of Fat Boy right now.
Get it.
Gosh, winged him. Come on, go down.
He's going down. You almost caught that one.
Did we shoot this one here?
Yeah, this one fell.
Okay, good. I was about to say, I thought we killed him. Fat Boy, you know how many people are going to be so proud of you for getting that bird now?
You know, I for one, first off, can say I'm stoked for you.
Stoked.
was like training a child. I mean, when I seen you bend down for it, I turned around and I was like, Jared, he's doing it.
He spotted it and he went and got it.
Get ready. Kill the white one. Yes!
Yes.
Watch him.
Okay, go get him. He's in the thick.
He's to the left of that drum.
He had some cinnamon in him, didn't he? Dude, we were just talking about mounting like a super sweet one, and then that one flew in. That's awesome.
The other one landed right here.
No.
Yeah.
Oh my god.
Is he up there? Yeah. Oh, dude, let's see that thing. Oh my gosh, that is bounded work right there. Holy crap. That's what I'm talking about with pigeons, man. They're all different. That one is one of the sexiest ones I've seen. That's super pretty. Whacking them, stacking them. Nice. Double team, boy. That was a little DP action.
A little.
A little double tap.
Another double tap. Oh gosh. I go.
I think so.
Shoot him.
One went down.
Ready? Shoot.
Oh, got him. He's in the truck.
Did he go in the truck?
Oh, look at that. Oh my
Up
god.
front, up front.
Is my GoPro going? That way.
No.
God dang it. What's going on? Is this battery dead?
Might be.
Oh no, now it's on. I think I accidentally turned it off right now. Shot. Oh my gosh, dude. We shot him in the same spot. Demonetize me now.
You guys about blew his head off.
Demonetize me now. He says. Oh my god.
Oh my gosh. You're looking at two other high flyers and then they just fly right in front of your face when you ain't looking. We need Tourette's guy in the blind. Oh man, I shouldn't have done that. Whew. Oh, that group just got it. Oh, there's a white one.
There he is.
You see it?
Yes. Or is that the other? No, that's it.
He's close, boys. He's close.
Like that too.
I just saw the whitey. We'll call him Whitey Tidy, okay?
That was all you.
Apologize.
Dude, I pulled up.
Hey, he said shoot him, I shot him. I shot him. He said shoot him, I shot him, okay?
Sit in the truck. Sit in the truck.
Pretty. Pretty.
Booty on her. Got a booty on her.
Definitely does.
About that badonkadonk.
Look at that. Look at that fan. That's a fan if I ever seen one.
Here we go. Right here, guys. Oh, yep. Get ready. Kill him. Yeah, I'm trying to like, not kill Rally.
Oh! Oh, umbrella! Ah! Here we go, right here.
Oh, yeah, get him.
Yes, beautiful. Look at that tornado. Yes. So what's happening here is there's a bunch of wheat planted right behind these cows, and the pigeons are just sticking around in that, hopping around field to field, kind of like ducks and geese do in the wintertime. And these pigeons just keep jumping up, and then we're seeing them coming back and forth now during this nighttime. That's when or during this evening time. So that's when we're starting to really get into the bigger groups rather than the singles, because they're all moving together from food.
Kill him. You bastard. Got one.
That one I winged.
Here comes the other. Here comes the other. Hang on.
To die.
Kill him.
There we go.
Okay. Someone get on that one. I'll go get
He wanted us to finish him off.
Here's a few more for the pile.
Yes.
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 I'm just trying to hold it together over here, boys. Just trying to hold it together.
Come on, Jared. Hold it together, dude.
Oh my gosh.
Get ready, guys.
I'm gonna shoot this one.
Good shot. Here comes one.
How to do it? Apologize.
Get ready, guys.
No, you get your gun.
No, you can do it.
Don't shoot me. Oh my god. Oh no, it broke. Dude, luxury pigeon hunting is not working out like we wanted it to.
At all. Luxury pigeon hunting gone wrong.
Dude, now they can see Fat Boy's red sunburnt skin. We're done. We're done, boys.
I'm sorry, y'all. I'm sorry. I'll go sit in the truck.
Oh,
sit in
dude,
the
there's a
truck.
group flying out here. There's groups picking up off everywhere. Let's situate this blind first.
Oh, right.
Oh, right here.
Wait for him. Here they come.
Oh, this is gonna be so sexy.
Everybody wait. Kill him.
Yes! Yes!
Get him.
He dead now. Watch Paul. Don't shoot Paul. There we go. Right behind you. I'm just gonna take a little nap. Wake me up when they're here.
Yeah, I will. Bang!
Hey, Paul, I apologize. Oh, God. Here we go. Kill him. Get him. Hold on, catch him. Oh, you got it. What? Get him. Hold on, catch him. Oh! What? How did you do that while you're filming? Oh my gosh, you're hired. In-law, you're fired. I got a new camera guy. Sorry, Paul. Dude, that was sick. How did you do that?
Hell yeah, dude.
I just lost my camera.
How did he do that? I can't believe you just caught that one-handed. Oh my gosh. You are a legend, Dallas. Guys, hey, right here. The legend himself. Dallas. Go follow him on Instagram right now. I'm telling you.
Go follow him on Instagram.
Oh my gosh. I can't believe you just did that.
I think the NFL's gonna start scouting him now.
Yeah, dude.
Oh, shit.
I can't believe it.
It's good knowing you, Dally.
I
It's
can't
really
believe
good knowing you. Thanks for the years of guiding and Odell.
Yeah, sorry, Paul. Apologize.
Oh,
I'll pay you like $40 a month, dude.
$40. That's more than I pay him. Twice as much.
Oh.
That must be hard to
He was looking, dude, he was looking at it through the camera too.
The camera.
one hand with the camera.
Dude, I'm gonna go home and tell everyone that.
I told you he's a boss.
So my new camera guy. Good. Apologize.
God damn.
Sorry, man.
Oh my gosh.
I had to do it again. I had to do it.
Well, since I lost my cameraman and my buddy, I'm just gonna leave.
Yeah, my buddy.
Done.
It's yours.
But, all right, guys, just so you know, you guys make sure to go check out my buddy Fat Boy on Instagram. Oh, I'm sorry. No, for real. But hey, you know what, Paul? If it wasn't for you, we wouldn't be out here, to be honest, man. No, seriously, go check out him as well. The reason we kept talking about hacked Instagram pages because last time we were together, I shouted out his Instagram, and then like 10 hours later, it got hacked. So
let's
go
get
check
hacked
out the new
again.
one. I'm gonna just put everybody's in the description box. You got to go check everybody out, dude.
Kill him.
Good shot, Paul.
Yep. Good guy.
Yo, dude!
I was like, no way.
You hit him twice too.
Dude,
I hit him that second time. You hit him the first and second time. I saw it.
Why? But he's damn close.
Is that the one that landed in the middle of the tire?
Yeah.
Bullseye.
Bullseye.
Baby. Farmer's on the tractor like this. He's out here running feed to the cattle, and he's just like, he's like slowly looking at us like, yeah, I don't know.
Get on him.
You need earplugs?
Maybe.
What? Dude, I have earplugs, bro. I'm getting you some. I feel bad.
Let's get on, fat boy.
Oh, really? That boy, you shot 16 yards behind him. Here.
What the fuck?
Can you smell that? Smells like a squirrel cooked in bacon grease and rolled up in some bear fat. It just licked me. This cat. Who the hell decided to write this song? Man, I should just stick to rap.
I saw a shadow about the size of my wiener, and I was like, God damn, we gotta shoot that one.
Get ready. This guy's about to get ugly.
Oh, it's gonna be nasty, boys.
Kill him!
God dang, dude. What is wrong with me? What is wrong with us?
Dude, every one
What
of
was
your
that?
fucking shells went in the bucket. Every one of them.
You know what's funny is like when you shoot, like especially when you like have shot a lot, and you're like, I can't. How did I miss? And then you like you close your eye a little bit more, and you're like, I want to aim a little bit more. And then the third one, you're just like, if I don't hit him, I'm just gonna beat myself off. Not literally though, because that'd be like, you know, that'd be like you're being good to yourself. But you know what I'm saying? Like punch yourself in the face or something.
That's years of practice.
Oh yes! Oh, right on the cow. Right, landed right on her. Landed right on a cow.
Kill him! Kill him!
Nice shot.
Right there, doggy!
How we do it?
Right there.
Good boy, come on. Good boy, come on.
Oh, that's a good boy.
Back. Yes, back. Here's one right here.
I mean, I did that for nothing. I'm just kidding.
Oh,
I mean, our,
Damn. Sniper.
should we end it on a Euro?
Oh, yeah, let's end it on a Euro.
Let's end it on a Euro, boy. A Eurasian Boogies. Oh, hey, boys.
Oi.
Hurricane Andy coming through. I don't know if there's ever been one called Andy. That sounded good in the moment. I was thinking of Toy Story or something. I don't know. Apologize. We got a good pile. Did anybody count? I think we got about 50, right?
I didn't even count. Didn't even count.
Yeah, I think we got about 50. That was a great time, dude. Out here right with the cows, man. Hey, bud. What you doing? Want some food? Oh, no. He didn't want nothing. That was a great pigeon hunt, man. We had some fun. I think the legend of the day award goes to Dallas. One for filming, and he made the most insane catch. I haven't even watched the footage. You guys have seen it already. But what do you think about that, Paul?
That was pretty wild.
That was like the craziest thing I've ever seen in my
Let's
life.
go play football.
Yeah, yeah. So you guys go follow them in the description box below. And then, of course, Broken Barrel Outfitters, who took us out today on this beautiful pigeon hunt. And like I always tell y'all, man, if you guys want to do any type of bird hunting, turkey, waterfowl, pigeon hunting in the summertime, anything.
Ducks, geese.
Yeah,
It's a
ducks,
blast.
geese. Holler at Paul. I'll put his Instagram down below, and then you guys can hook him up there, message him, and get her booked, man. And we're actually going to be giving away a hunt soon too, I think.
Do a giveaway, get to be in the pit a little bit, have some fun, shoot some geese with us.
And we're going to be, yeah, we're going to be hunting with Mullet Man next week.
Yep, next week.
So we'll see Paul again, man.
Yeah.
Now you got to start a YouTube channel, dude.
I know.
Gosh, dang. Or you know what? You could just take over mine. We could just hunt together.
I'm the new outlaw.
I didn't mean to leave you hanging a minute ago. Thanks, brother.
Pleasure, man.
Appreciate it. You guys are killer, man. Awesome time. And we got a bunch of birds. Oh, yeah, thanks guys. We're gonna head out, dude. We're gonna go hit up the McDonald's, all right?
I better fire up the grill.
See y'all, dude. Oh God, I almost rocked into my tailgate.
Refried pinto and baked beans always make me fart. Like UFC fighters in football.